We doing mobile work, but the wind is blowing too hard outside. See, you can see the wind blowing hard outside. So we are in here doing this. I'm gonna do the side window first right now. So just like doing a regular window. There we go. There we go. So we cut it around. Lock that in. Go up. So there we go. So I'm gonna bring it over some more so I can go in that way with it. After I brought it over here, I'm gonna cut it a little bit over this way right here. Stick it in like that. Okay, so that way I know how far to go. Now I'll lay it down. There we go. Knock it down. Bring it down a little bit. There we go. Go down. Cut across the top. Come down a little bit more. There you go. So I can cut across the top now. Cut across the top just like you do a regular window. Same way. I'm gonna pull it out a little bit so I can get around this corner. Okay. There we go. Then now the next part, stick it up here so I can cut a straight line right across there. Lock it in right there. Cut a straight line. There we go. Okay. Now I'll do this side. Trim it around. There we go. So now I can put this one on. I don't think I can take this out. No. Okay. Okay, so now I'll clean the window. On now. We got it clean. Now we can throw it on. I haven't even got outside the car yet. Even got out. I can do this whole truck like this. I don't even have to get out. Don't even have to get out. Okay. This is what you call mobile to its finest. Mobile work. Especially in windstorms. When I was in California, I used to have to do this. look, it's straight. See how straight it is? It go right across. Right across. Now we go up. All right, we'll hit the corners. Okay. Good. Bam. So show your best work, y'all. Show your best work. We got it all taken care of. Y'all can see how it came out perfect. No dirt, none of that stuff. Okay, pause that, back. Like I said, we haven't got out here yet. Everything we're doing inside the car. Everything we're doing is inside the car. It's like a pro. You're watching a pro status here. You're watching a pro status. Right around there, y'all. I gotta pop it, blade. Pop the blade and put it right here, right there. Come back and get it later. Get this part here down. Bad, make a little groove, and then come back up and cut it later. Then I gotta go down here, cut across here. There we go. So now we'll take it back off. And I got a stainless steel blade so I can cut on the window. And I'm avoiding the defroster lines. Stainless steel blade, so I don't have to worry about the cutting. Okay, so there we go. So we got this part cut. That's gonna be this window. Now we're gonna cut that side with the same window. Okay. Okay, lift your window all the way up. You got it off, right? Okay, ready? So now I'm doing the opposite side now. I just took the film and bought it on this side because this is for that side. Then I'm now gonna do this side. So now I'm gonna trim it on here. Okay. There we go. So I cut it at a 90-degree angle like this. I don't cut like this because it can scratch the window sometimes. So I cut it at a 90-degree angle. So I got both of them cut now. This go on that side over there. And this one go on this side right here. Okay, you can cut it off. Okay, I just put this one on. He's putting that one on right now. We haven't even got out the car yet. Like some people, they do everything from outside, but you can get creative and do everything from the inside too. We haven't even got out yet. And it's windy outside. Look at stuff flying around out there. Look at that. It's windy. And we doing it inside only. We can do all the windows on the inside and don't need nothing else. Off now.